You did well out there, young man.
Damn it, honey. Forget it. Hey, you were great. I couldn't be prouder. It was just bad luck.
Daniel, you would have won if they hadn't cheated.
No, just leave me alone for a minute, okay? We'll be outside. Yo, Mr. Miyagi? You think I had a chance at winning?
To win, lose, no matter.
No, it's not what I mean.
I had good chance.
Well, can you fix my leg? I mean, with that thing you do?
No need fight anymore. You prove a point.
At what point? That I can take a beating? I mean, every time I see those guys, they're gonna know they got the best of me. I'll never have balance that way. Not with them, not with Allie. Not with me.
Wait.
What?
Close your eye.
This is the moment we've been waiting for. The present day. Daniel LaRusso's gonna fight? Daniel LaRusso's gonna fight! Now isn't this what it's all about? You know it! How's the leg, son?